Welcome. In this video, we're going to walk through how to unmute notifications from new accounts you on X, formerly known as Twitter, using the desktop or PC version of the app after the latest update. If you've been wondering why you're not seeing notifications from certain users, especially those with newly created accounts, this quick guide will help you fix it easily. First, open the X app on your computer. You can do this by visiting the site or launching the desktop version, whichever you prefer. Once you're logged into your account, look to the left-hand side of your screen. You'll see a list of options like Home, Explore, Messages, and more. Click on Notifications. After you open the Notifications tab, find the Settings option. It usually appears as a small gear icon near the top right corner of the Notifications page. Click on it to enter the Notification Settings menu. Next, you'll see a few different sections inside the notification settings. Choose Filters. Under Filters, you'll find an option labeled Muted Notifications. Click it to open the filter list. Inside Muted Notifications, you'll notice a series of checkboxes that determine which types of accounts and activities are muted. Look for the one that says, with a new account. This setting blocks notifications from brand new users to prevent spam or unwanted alerts. If it's checked, that means notifications from new accounts are currently muted. To unmute them, simply uncheck the box next to with a new account. Once that's done, your changes will automatically take effect. You don't need to save anything manually, and that's it. You've successfully unmuted notifications from new accounts on X. Now you'll start receiving alerts from all users, including those who have just joined the platform. It's a simple change, but it can make a big difference if you want to stay fully connected and engaged. If this helped you, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more quick tutorials on how to make the most out of X and other social apps.